Hello viewers, Flipkart's Freedom Sale and Amazon's Great Indian Festival or Sale will commence tomorrow. If you are a Prime member, in that case you will get early access, and if you are a Black or Plus members, in that case in Flipkart you will get 24 hours early access. So get ready with SBI credit card on flipkart.com if you want to buy any tablet or iPad from flipkart.com, and if you want to buy anything from amazon.in, in that case you must have HDFC credit card to get instant discount. The price of each and every tablet is on the higher side, so if you are planning to buy any tablet, you have to buy a tablet above its best price. I have made many videos regarding the price point and the best price of each and every tablet, but recently the prices of every tablet have increased, as a result of which you may not match or you may not get that pricing. But luckily in this sale you will get all the tablets available, so if you want to buy any particular tablet, that tablet may be available. And if you want to buy any tablet, you have to buy that tablet at the earliest opportunity, because the price will definitely increase after a few hours. Many people have asked many questions. I will pick some questions and answer those questions in this video. So the first question is that, will there be any sale on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9? The answer is yes, there will be sale, but that pricing will not be as good as you are expecting. The next question is that, what is the best price for OnePlus Pad Lite? The best price for OnePlus Pad Lite is 13,000, but currently you will get this tablet at around 16,000 or less in sale. So if you cannot wait for Big Billion Days sale, in that case you can buy this tablet at 16,000 rupees. Otherwise you should definitely wait for another sale. Another user wants to know about the price of OnePlus Pad 3. The best price for OnePlus Pad 3 is 42,000 rupees. Now I have to check out which price they are giving during sale. Only then I can say something about OnePlus Pad 3. Many people actually want to buy iPad 11th generation, but sadly the price have increased and currently it is priced at 45,000 rupees. So still, if you get any deal, the price will be around 40,000 rupees, and after spending 40,000 you are getting iPad 11th generation. That is not worth it at 40,000 rupees, I think. Rather you should buy any Android tablet with very good Snapdragon processor, maybe OnePlus Pad 2 or Pad 3. Many people are eagerly waiting for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. The best price for this tablet is around 38 to 40,000 rupees, and if you get this pricing, definitely you can buy this tablet. This tablet has very good features, display is great, battery backup is also very good, and you will get smooth software support with this tablet. One of the users wants to know about iPhone 17. Though Flipkart has not yet mentioned the pricing, it may be available at around 72 to 75,000 rupees. And in this price point, I don't think it is a value for money product. If you get this under 70,000, you can definitely buy iPhone 17. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become informative to you. I will make another video answering all your questions. Thank you.